part 2 on my LSDA classroom door lock. I wanted to show you the picture of the lock on the box itself. And this is it. It's a LSDA grade 1 industrial duty lock set, so it means it's a heavy duty door lock. It's good for high traffic and stuff, so it's a good secure lock. And she's locked right now, so I gotta. And then inside it's unlocked. Unlock the inside. Right now it's in a lock position, so I'll just turn the key the other way to unlock it. I take the key out. Now it's in an unlocked position. Thanks for tuning in. Go Brave and give me a thumbs up, would you?